Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find links on role settings on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First click here, now click settings, now click roles, and now click here, and here as you see you will find links here. And now as you see you can manage your links role settings. You can create linked role, you can add requirements, and that's it for today. That's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.